Hello, in this tutorial we will add a hinge with full overlay mounting to our library. Therefore, we go to Front, go to the Doors and open our hardware settings. Here we can add a name for the family of our hinges. Look at where the balls should be. And start drilling. As you can see, we've made our first hole. Just add the next one and click plus. Then for the boreholes on the front, we make sure to check our correct settings here. We want an overlap of 16 millimeters. So we have half the cup is 17.5 millimeters plus 5 is 22.5 millimeters from the edge. Always make sure that your direction of your borehole is correct. You can see this by looking at your coordinates down in the left corner. Let me check the depth real quick. 11.5. Since we have a screw mount, we need only 2 mm in depth this time. Make sure to double check you have all the holes in the correct position. And if you're sure that you have everything correct, click Save. Also make sure to set your distance for your interior drawers. Then hit Save. If you now close this menu, now you have your hinge right here, and you can use it for your project. Congratulations! You just added your first hinge to your library. Now you need to set your calculation settings for this hinge. And check if the boreholes are correct. If everything's fine, you're done. This was how to create a hinge. Thank you for watching.